To write names of compounds from formula. So given the formula, if you want to write the name of the compound, the first thing you have to do is you have to identify if the compound is ionic, covalent, acidic, or hydrate. How will you do that? Ionic compound, you either have ammonium ion bonded to something, or there is a metal non-metal bond. This is what ionic compounds consist of. Covalent bonds, on the other hand, or covalent compounds, on the other hand, they have a non-metal to non-metal bond, meaning carbon monoxide, for example. This is a non-metal. This is also a non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Oxygen is also non-metal. So there is a non-metal to non-metal bond. So it's a covalent compound. So for covalent compound, you need to have a non-metal to non-metal bond. Acids, they have one or more hydrogens bonded to something, and this something could be halogen or polyatomic ion. If it is halogen, usually they are binary acids, and if it's polyatomic ion, they are oxy acids. Hydrates, have an ionic compound and then they have some amount of water. Okay, some amount of water incorporated into the compound. So this is how you distinguish between all the four types of compound, and this would be the first step. And why is this important? It's important because the system of naming for each compound is different. Ionic compound, you follow a certain step. Covalent compound, the steps are totally different. So first you need to know if the compound is ionic, covalent, acidic, or hydrate, and then you follow the corresponding step to name the compound.